Name of Africa, bangani bami. Asikhona bangani bami sikhona sivakashile kaMantshisi and Thoughts. Iqonda. Ihamba lapha into obugedla. Abogedla abavumi ukufa ngoba into obugedla is more like and then ngifuna ukuyihlukanisa la. Kunabantu ababa nento ukuthi uma ngiphupha umuthi ngugedla. Noshintsha ukwenza ukuthi makavuma ukufa lo muntu kunomthetho ekuthiwa umthetho weshoba ekufanele ukuthi ahambe ngawo and umthetho weshoba umthetho oyingcwele. Ubugedla iproblem yabo mangizofuna ukujula kakhulu kuyongiphoqela ukuthi ngize ngigcine ngikhuluma imfihlo yabo and imfihlo yakhona iyahlupha ngoba iyobanga umsindo and iyoyenza abanye abantu bakhanukele izinto engamelanga bayikhanukele.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your chef. Finally! Finally, you are here. Finally, after long time. Good morning, good day, and good afternoon.
In the name of Africa, bangani bami. Asikhona bangani bami sikhona sivakashile kaMantshisi and Thoughts. Hey, sithembe kuzoba kuhle mngana.
In the name of South Africa.
Africa.
Oh, not South Africa, Africa.
Africa manje.
Sawubona.
Ninjani?
Phila nkulu.
Siyaphila.
Wangibalekela.
Angubalekela.
Ngakwenzani? Akungitshele lapho. Ngakwenzani?
Akude lo wangenda kuona yabona. Nethi nje izinto zempilo nomhlaba sithukuthuku sokuphila mfowethu.
Hayi phila nkulu. Phela mawubalekela mina kusho ubalekela amaMantshisi.
Nix mfowethu, nix yazi. Bayazi nabo ngisesekhona.
Yep. Let me not take a shine away from you because we've got a lot to talk about. Please introduce yourself. Those who don't know you, new Munchies, because we've got new Munchies.
Yeah.
Tell them who are you, where you from, what's special about you.
Where you from ngicela ukuyifihla kancane.
Not
yabo. Yeah. Mara engakubeka mina ngiphila nkulu wakwaVilakazi. Yeah, nginyanga. Mara inyanga eyaqala ebungomeni.
Oh, uyinyanga eyaqala ebungomeni. Okay.
Lokho sikubeke ngoba mangizibeka kanjalo uyabona Shandu kubuye kube nenkinga sometimes yabo abantu bangakwazi ukuyicategorize kahle ukuthi kahle uma ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi sibelaphi bendabuko kunabantu abayibiza ngabalaphi bendabuko but babe bangazazi ukuthi bayini uyakubona but engizokuchaza ngokucacise ngami mhlambe abanye bayamangala ukuthi sangoma sinjani sesigcine sizibiza ngenyanga ngoba abanye abantu baba nako lokho ubunyanga buyahlukana kayi3 Shandu. Kukhona inyanga engaqala ebungomeni.
Okay, let's do this now.
Yeah.
Because manje ngibona ngase singene endabeni.
Yeah.
Ngabe ngithe introduce yourself, who are you, where you from, which you refuse. Not that you are refusing to say where you're coming from. So unguphila nkulu oyinyanga kodwa uqala ebungomeni.
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much. Nizwile usichazile ukuthi ungubani uphila nkulu. Some of you niyamazi uphila nkulu. Uphila nkulu is a Manchi, friend of Munchies and Thoughts. He's doing a lot. And you started a podcast.
Yeah, I did, but because of some technicalities.
Okay.
Yeah.
My boy.
Which
is one of the things I want us to talk about today.
Very interesting one.
Very interesting.
And actually, I had this thing, Oguti. One day you'll ask me about it. And
you know me. I'm not filtered. But anyway, yes. Pilankulu, namhlanje, thank you for coming.
Yeah.
And I don't take you for granted.
No, I'm grateful
you
for that.
You know that. And you being here, it's not for me, but it's also for the Munchies that are watching this show. Let's do a cheers, darling. I don't take you for granted. You cheers and drink when munch. Or else I'm going to have a bad sex for 7 years. But anyway, Babla Makaya usichazile ukuthi ungubani. Phila nkulu, kune clip yakho.
Yeah.
Ekhanda omkhulu umsindo.
Yeah.
Particularly yazi ukuthi the nice thing I've got access to you guys. You can come back here and I think let's talk about ubugedla.
Okay.
And educate me.
Yeah.
Educate whoever that is watching Images and Thoughts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Educate whoever that didn't understand the clip or understand the clip, but your own understanding.
Yeah. Was it specific?
But forget about the clip. Forget about the clip. Let's say I'm just putting a clip.
Yeah.
Forget about the clip. Let's talk about Ubugedla.
Yeah.
Like any clip.
Okay.
Ngoba clip ayisebenzeli out manje sikhulumisha wenje Ubugedla.
Okay. Ubugedla amagedla abantu ngempela abangayanga entwasweni yobungoma. But ngizoya deeper ngayo lento le. Right? Abogedla is more of people abama researcher, aba creator imithi yokulapha phinde neyokumosha. Uyayibona into enjalo. Kodwa laba bantu akusibo abantu abahambe baye entwasweni yabangoma. Ngithi yabona into enjalo. Abavumi ukufa labo bantu labo ngoba amagedla kuyahlukahlukana wena Shando. Uyayibona into enjalo. Ukhona amagedla who were created by ezinye izinyanga. For example, thola ukuthi umuntu unyankwabi umsizi wenyanga, umsizi womngoma. You understand? Lo muntu usebenza nalo muntu oyinyanga noma owumngoma. And then mhlambe masilandula ngamandulo ukuthi lo muntu bebake bamthathe baye naye ehlathini mabayogubha baphinde bagubhise yena imithi. Yayibona into enjalo. Kanjalo aqale lo muntu afunde kulapha, afunde nezinye zezinto, but sizoyadipa kancane ngalokho. Akhula lo muntu bese uyagunyazwa lo muntu lo ukuthi ngoba sonolwazi olungaka nawe songaqala ubalapha abantu mhlambe stroke. Uyayibona into enjalo. Nawe songaqala ukuthi ukwazi ukuvusa imimoya ethize. But ekakhulukazi mongalandela abantu abaningi uma ukhuluma ngogedla abanye abantu bake bathi unyanga mthakathi. Kusho ukuthi umuntu okwazi ukulapha phinde akhande ikhesi. Uyayibona into enjalo. Bajulile kakhulu abogedla ngoba ngendlela okuyona ubugedla esikhathini esiningi yibona abantu abakwazi ukuthi bakhandele isithixo. You understand? Yibona abantu abakwazi ukuvusa lezi zinto kuthiwa yipoko. Yibona abantu ebeze nezinto eziningi njengezinto ezifana nezizwe, izinto ezifana namabutho, izinto ezifana nokuthwalisa. Yibona abantu ebenza lezo zinto lezo. Abantu ugedla loyo. Abantu abaningi la ifiki bashaye khona lento le. Basuke bangakhona ukuhlukanisela umkhunkuli negedla. You understand? Umkhunkuli umthakathi. Umuntu ogangile nje okhesayo kuphela but akalaphi. You understand? So umkhunkuli akakwazi ukuthi akunike into enhlanhla. Yena ipurpose yakhe nje ukuqalekisa abantu, angithi yabona. But ugedla can do both lezi zinto lezi. You understand? And then abogedla mase kuhamba sikhathi kwaba abantu abathi mababuka abantu abafana njengabangoma ukuthi umngoma uyakwazi ukuthi ahlahlube umuntu. Ukuthi lo muntu omngoma unesiphiwo sokuthi abone izinto ezingale. Manje nami ukuze ngimeshe nalo muntu lo angeke ngikhande nami into ezongenza mhlambe ngibe ku level yakho ukuthi ngikwazi ukuhlola nami. Kwaqala kwaba ne creation yani yezizwe. Kwaqala kwaba ne creation yani yamajaji namakhamandela lezi zinto zokwazi ukwenza umuntu ngisho engenasi isiphiwo sokuhlahluba but akwazi ukuhlahluba ngoba nabo bese bafuna ukwenzani ukuhlola. Ugedla ke lo mfowethu akavumi ukufa. And abanye abogedla ba createwa yini? Ba creator inqumo ezathathwa bomkhulu. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi umkhulu wakho bekane sikhwama thizene bekasebenzisa esinemimoya evusiwe. Uyayibona into enjalo. Ukuthi umkhulu mhlambe yena beyanganasi isiphiwo sokulapha. Kodwa umkhulu lento wayiphoqa afuna ukuyenza for whatever reason. Right? Waba nesikhwama mhlambe wazivusela lamadodo ukuthi uzohlola ngawo, wazivusela ezinye zezinto ukuthi zizomdonsela, ngithi uyabona into enjalo. So lo mkhulu lo uma eshona ngoba kwelamathongo asingeni nemithwalo wena Shando. You understand? Kwelamathongo in most cases uthola ukuthi mhlambe umuntu abe nento athweswe yona. Abe nento athweswe yona ingene ihlale egazini lakhe. You understand? Asebenze ngayo lento le uma engabe sekashona makangahlukaniswa nayo akakwazi ukungena kwelamathongo. Yabona into enjalo. Sebese lo muntu uwenzani? Uyajikiswa. Sizobuyela iyala ngifuna khona. Lo muntu ngale kwelamathongo mase kafika ufika nemithwalo. You understand? Ufika nezinto abantu abadala abangazazi ngale kwelamathongo ngoba kwelamathongo ungene nemithwalo. Nge-emphasize leyo. Kwelamathongo awungeni nemithwalo. So lo muntu ma ejikiswa laphana uyabuya la emhlabeni ukuthi angikwazanga ukwela ngale kwelabogogo ngoba kunezinto mina engihamba nazo engathweswa zona. So lo muntu bese yenzana athi ngiyakunika zibanibani awuthathe le khwama lezi ukuze mina ngizokwazi ukukhululeka ngwele kwelamathongo. You understand? That's why you'll find abanye abantu athi nginikwe isikhwama sani sebugedla.
Okay.
Yayiqonda. Ihamba lapha into obugedla abogedla abavumi ukufa ngoba into obugedla is more like and then ngifuna ukuyihlukanisa la. Kunabantu ababa nento ukuthi uma ngiphupha umuthi ngugedla no iphutha lelo. Ukhumbule singabantu we are one with nature. Once you connect and you are pure with and you are one with nature, you are bound ukuthi uziphuphe ilwane, you are bound ukuthi uziphuphe ihlahla, you are bound ukuthi uyiphuphe imithi. You understand? That thing doesn't qualify you ukuthi ubugedla. Ubugedla sikhuluma straight kuze masilandula vele silanda ngama facts wakhona. Abogedla ilabantu labo uthola ukuthi endaweni emzini wakhe akafulelanga akanayo i-ceiling, akanayo i-roof, kuvulekile nje phezulu. But uma ina imvula ingeni kwakhe ngoba labantu baphethe injula lwazi yemithi, baphethe injula lwazi yemithi nokumanipulator noku-invoker ama-spirits athite ngemfihlakalo yakhona. You understand? Abogedla ngokweqiniso nabo in a way kunama-rituals abawaperformayo ukuthi ngempela bayaqualify ukuthi manje sesingakubiza ngani, sesingakubiza ngogedla. Ukwazi ukuthi ingwavuma mayihlangana nomaphipha yenza nakusho ukuthi ugedla. You can go to places like Abomanguze, Mhlabe Yalingana, all these other places as wesigubha imithi khona. You will find young kids. Young kids, they know umuthi even ukudlula ezinye izangoma, even ukudlula ezinye inyanga, but they will tell you mina angisinyanga, angisugedla, angisilutho. Ngizazela umuthi. Once you are connected spiritually, vele izinto zemvelo zizozivelela kuwe. You understand? Sometimes emakhaya ngistretch lento le. Yabona njengami nguvilakazi ngumphephethe. Isiphephetho kunomuthi ekuthiwa isiphephetho. Kimi isiphephetho ngeke sisebenze the same way njengawo umbatha kanje. Kimi isiphephetho sinemithetho namasiko wakhona. You understand? Abovala mazibuko le mithi inezibongo. You understand into enjalo. So uma sesikhuluma ngobugedla sikhuluma ngento ejulile kakhulu because abantu abanike injula lwazi yemithi nokumanipulator ama-system. Njengoba bengichazela sekuqaleni ukuthi labantu bayakwazi ukuthi balaphe baphinde bakukheze. But kunezinto eziqualifyayo ukuthi singaqualify ukuthi yabona manje sekawugedla lo muntu. And into yakhona imfihlo kakhulu Shando, ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngeke ngiyikhulume ngoba
it's fine.
Yeah, nami angazi noma nguthathele ama question or ini. Njengoba ngizibiza ngenyanga. Njengoba ngithi ubunyanga.
Okay, angifuni siye lapho. Ngifuna siqede lobugedla lobo.
Ngifuna yabona njengoba ngichaza kanje.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuthi abantu babe ne-understanding ethithe.
Okay, no. Just proceed.
You understand? Njengoba ngithi mina ngiyinyanga eyaqala ebungomeni. Ngaba nobizo lokuba umngoma. Kwase seqhamuka umkhulu abomkhulu angibeke kanje ngoba mina isikhwama engasithabatha sikho yi1. You understand ziyahluka. So mabeqhamuka kimi njengabogedla baqhamuka vele bayibo njengoba ngichazile eqaleni ukuthi abogedla beza nobubi nobuhle. But mina ngoba ngumuntu othwase idlozi i-existence yedlozi and sizoyilungisa lento makuyisho ukuthi sisichaza into edlozi ukuthi iyini isima kanjani. Njengoba mina ngumuntu obenobizo wavuma kufa waba ngaphansi kwedlozi waba ngaphansi komthetho weshoba. Uma sekuvuka lo gedla lo mina mase ngithabatha le khwama yila kungena khona abogobela. Ugobela means umuntu osika qualified ukuthi angakwazi ukugoba imimoya ayigobele futhi nayo. Angithi understand? So lo muntu ugedla masekeza kimi mina ngiba ne choice ukuthi ngiqhubeka ngokuthi ngibe ugedla. But if angiqhubeki ngokuthi ngibe ugedla ngiba inyanga kanjani na? Ngiba inyanga ngokuthi mina sengikavuna umthetho ukuthi mina ipurpose yami ukulapha kuphela.
Oh, okay.
Angithi lo muntu uza awugedla. Makeza ugedla uza nobubi nobuhle. But ngoba mina ngumntwana wedlozi and the sole purpose existence yedlozi ukulapha. It's to bring about peace nokuphila ebantwini. You understand? So now lo muntu makeza kimi mina weza ewugedla. But I had to have umuntu owugobela ozokwazi ukungigobela lo moya ukuthi ukwazi ukunginika ulwazi lwemithi yokulapha ngoba bogedla ngitheni baba kayithuba basekukhanyeni nasebumnyameni. So mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngoba ugedla ngizoyikhuluma lento le for the sake yokuthi kube ne-understanding. Ugedla uyakwazi ukuthi athathe umuthi ambulale umuntu. So mina njengomntwana edlozi angikwazi ukuthi ngithathe umuthi ngiqalekise umuntu. Ingako mina njengoba ngumntwana wedlozi into yami ku-purity. Mangike ngathatha umuthi obheke eceleni ngawusebenzisa fanele ngihlambuluke. Uyangunderstand? Ngoba ngenze into engahambiselani nomthetho wani wedlozi.
Ishoba umthetho wedlozi, okay.
Uyangunderstand? And then kunento Shandu engifuna ukuyicacisa la. Kukhona idlozi, kukhona isidlozana.
Okay.
Uyayithola into le.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Idlozi Shandu. Idlozi abantu abaningi ngibazwile nala ku panel yakho bathi idlozi umoya omubi umoya ovusi.
Okay, let's not bring people that are not here. It's me and you.
Okay.
Khuluma ngokuthi mina not ngiba.
Okay, thank you. Kuyiphuthe ngiyaxolisa mkhashana. Lento ime kanjani? Abantu abaningi bane conception yokuthi idlozi umoya omubi ongadlulelanga kwelamathongo which is iphutha lento leyo Shandu. Iphutha lento leyo. Kukhona idlozi, kukhona isidlozana. Ngizoyichaza lento. Angithi mangikhuluma la, ngiyangathi umuntu owugedla makaya ngale kwelamathongo kuyenzeka ukuthi bamjikise ngenxa yezinto azenzile emhlabeni nezinto ahamba nazo. Angithi understand? Lo muntu makajikisiwe kwelamathongo akasiyidlozi kimi uyangidlozomela ungena ngenkani ngenhloso yokulungisa lezi zinto ajikiselwe zona. Uyini uyisidlozana ngoba ubehavisa okwedlozi ngoba idlozi lamphozesa umuntu. So nami uzongiphozesa ngenkani ngokuthi manje ufuna ukulungisa izinto zakhe through mina. Uyangunderstand? Because unezono lo muntu lo uhambile waqalekisa abantu wenzani uyangunderstand? So uma sekeza kimi uza ngesidlozana uyangidlozomela but that doesn't mean lo muntu uyidlozi.
Okay.
Idlozi is a spirit of eternity. Amadlozi ile mimoya ethi mayihlangana emkhathini kukhandeke imvelo. It is why uma umuntu aba nobizo lobungoma ushintsha ukwenza uvuma ukufa. Ushintsha ukwenza ukuthi makavuma ukufa lo muntu kunomthetho ekuthiwa umthetho weshoba ekufanele ukuthi ahambe ngawo. And umthetho weshoba umthetho oyingcwele. That is why abantu bazokutshela ukuthi umngoma kahlangani nemithi ukuqalekisa abantu. Umngoma kahlangani nokuthi aphinge. Umngoma kahlangani nezinto zokuthwalisa. Umngoma kahlangani nezinto zokuthi ahamba aqalekisa abantu athuka abantu. Kufanele aphile impilo epure. You understand? So lo muntu lo owugedla ojikisiwe kwelamathongo akalona idlozi uyisidlozana. Ubizwa ngesidlozana ngoba ubehavisa okwedlozi. You understand? And isidlozana sinama category amaningi. Kukhona umdliwa, kukhona ingwenza, kukhona mfukwa, kanjalo. Le mimoya le ayithwaswa. Imimoya ejikiswe kwelamathongo ayithwaswa, iyalungiswa. Iyalungiselelwa kunama rituals aperformelwa wona lo muntu ukuthi okay lo muntu lo kunomdliwa la ekhaya. And manje mawumphozesa lo mdliwa lo uyamdlozomela umngena ngenkani ngenhloso yokwenzana ukuthi kunento ekhona la ekhaya noma ngabe isikweleti ekufanele ukuthi ilungisiwe kulo muntu. Lo muntu awumthathi umshayeli isingungu. Uma siyovuma ingoma siyovuma ukufa ukuthi sizinikelele emthethweni oyingcwele kumthetho weshoba. Young man,
I want to ask you a question. Yo, yes, doing this show. Yo, I shit. Yo,
young man.
I just want to ask you a question. So, singenwa isidlozana makumele sihambe sigcina siyothwasa.
No. Isidlozana siyalungiselwa.
No. Singenwa yini masiyothwasa?
Masothwasa idlozi.
Idlozi.
Hayi isidlozana.
Singenwa idlozi. Not isidlozana. Okay. Uthi umoya wedlozi, umoya wemvelo.
Umoya wemvelo opure.
Then isidlozana sifika mase kwenze njani?
Lalela Shandu. Angithi imimoya edukile engawelanga kwelamathongo. Iba nendawo noma inyama la efuna ukuexista khona ukuze ilungise whatever angayilungisanga emhlabeni. And isidlozana hayi ukuthi singena abangoma kuphela nabantu ekhaya. That's why you find ukuthi kwamanye amakhaya kuze kuthiwe emntwini ungenwe yini. Uthola umuntu sekahlupha wenzani baze babuze bathi ungenwe yini. Isidlozana lesakulona idlozi. Uma sikhuluma ngedlozi angithi abantu kuze ezinye zezinto babe ne broader understanding kumele uzikhulume ngesilungu. Mangathi iangel or ingilozi then they will understand ukuthi idlozi liyisima kanjani. But the tricky part here la ihamba khona ukuthi uma ngithi ingilosi noma ngithi iangel umunye umuntu ocabanga umlungu oneimpiko aqhamuka ezulwini. You understand?
I will think about that.
We understand.
Yeah.
However, that is why kuthiwa ebungomeni kunemfihlo. That's why kuthiwa ebungomeni kunemfihlo ngoba lento le ekuthiwa yidlozi ayisiyo lento abantu abaningi abacabanga ukuthi ibuke kanje ngayo. But the pure intention of exista kwedlozi ukuletha ukuphila nokukhanya kuphela.
Okay. So ngifuna siphume kubugedla manje.
Yeah.
Is there anything ofuna ukuyi-add before we proceed or right?
Ubugedla iproblem yabo mangizofuna ukujula kakhulu kuyongiphoqela ukuthi ngize ngigcine ngikhuluma imfihlo yabo. And imfihlo yakhona iyahlupha ngoba iyobanga umsindo and iyoyenza abanye abantu bakhanukele izinto engamelanga bayikhanukele. Ngoba into obugedla iza nobuhle iza nobubi. Njengoba ngichazile eqaleni ukuthi abanye abantu mababuza ukuthi ugedla yini bathi unyanga mthakathi kusho ukuthi siyalapha siyathakatha. So mangizofuna ukujula kakhulu entweni ebugedla ngigcine ngikhuluma buthakathi and manje izinto engafuni ukuya kuzo lezo.
Ingoba ziyimfihlo or wena udecide ungakhuluma ngazo.
Uyabona Shandu ezinye zezinto ziyimfihlo ezinye zezinto ziyigugu emntwini. Ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ngafika ngibone ema-camera la ngichaze ema-camera bese ngifuna ukukhuluma ezinye zezinto bese abanye abantu abayizitha kimi bese bayangikala ukuthi le ndoda ihamba ifike kuphi.
Okay, thank you. I get you and I respect you for that. Siqede ngobugedla. Remember ukuthi that's where we stopped. It's not that biyaphelela, but that's where me and you we stopped.
Yeah.
Can you go more? Okay, before sihamba, so ubunyanga nobugedla akufani.
Akufani baba.
Akufani.
Bucishe kufani.
Bucishe kufani. Ngoba lo munye
the term nyanga means lapha.
Okay.
Simple. Ngimnyangile uShandu. Yes, ukulapha.
Then ugedla.
Ugedla wenza yonke into. Ugedla uyalapha uyaqalekisa. That's why mina ngihlale ngitshela abantu ukuthi ungacabanga ukuthi mawuphupha umuthi mhlambe kuthiwe uphupha umuthi and then ukuthiwe lo muthi maybe uzolapha isifo esikuwe noma isifo esikhona emntwini wasekhaya bezuthi ugedla cha.
In our country, do we have enough gedlas or maybe there are few? According to your knowledge and understanding.
Proper gedlas.
Mina ngitangazi, mina ngifunda la isho ukuthi okay. So when maybe you can just tell me.
Ayi bayabalwa Shandu. Bayabalwa ngoba uyabona into obugedla inemfihlo yakhona phakathi uyabona and there's things that qualify you ukuthi mase sikubona ukuthi sokwazi ukwenza ukuthi bese sithi hayi ugedla ngempela mase ukwazi ukuhlanganisa amathamba athide ukwazi ukuhlanganisa imithile ethide wazi amasiko wehlathi wazi ukudosa iphakama ukuthi iphakama elisoli idoswa kanje iphakama elisoli idoswa kanje so wazi ihlahla mhlambe maybe zi200 ukuthi le ihlahla mayihlangana hayi zonke zi200 ukuthi nokuthi ku communicate language so ukuthi nokuthi kwenza into so masukuma sokwazi okuya emanzini wenze ezinye zezinto ezimfihlakala eziyigugu lapho siyaqualify sithi ugedla but hayi ukuthi uzothi uzongitshela ukuthi mawuthatha umhlonyana uthatha nonkanimuzi naloko okunye kulapha isifuba cha akwakafika ebugedleni lapho umuntu wazi umuthi mandulo uma uyinsizwa vele bebakushayela lihlombe ukuthi uwazi umuthi wazi ihlathi but lokho bekungaqualify ukuthi ungaba ugedla.
Bayakhanda ugedla manje. I know now siyakhanda yonke into.
Bayakhanda izini
buyakhandwa. I know now ukuthi kuningi esikhandayo. So I just want to know ukuthi can I be made to be ugedla?
Yes, definitely. Sometimes you don't actually have to have a calling ukuthi ube ugedla. Ngoba namanje ngakuthatha nje ngufaka izinhlanga ukwazi ukuthi umelane nemimoya lethide uyayibona into enjalo ngakufaka inhlanga ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlahluba ngakufaka inhlanga kumbe nguphakamise ngendlela ezithize ukuthi ngiyise emanzini ukuthi kunemimoya engizoyi-invoke laphana ukuthi mase ngiyi-invokile ihlale phezulu kwakho namhlanje kunike lawo mandla lawo ukuthi ube ugedla. It's possible.
Okay, now ake sikhuluma ngobungoma. Why ngifuna sikhuluma ngobungoma? Because ishow yakho it's Mayibuye.
Yeah.
Now even some of your things in social media, Mayibuye. What happened? Why?
You wanna know about?
No, ngifuna sikhuluma ngobungoma.
Okay.
But I point of discussion yami ubungoma, yes. Then sengiyasibuzela nje ngoMayibuye so usungaphendula ngaye while you are talking about ubungoma because most of the things is ubungoma. And I've got some questions I want to ask you as well. I know some they won't be nice.
Yeah, I just shoot. You know when Shandu umuntu owumngoma, even namandulo bekwaziwa ukuthi umuntu okufanele ukuthi abe umngoma umuntu oba nobizo.
Yeah.
There's two things engifuna ukuzi-aligna la. Ubungoma abuqali mase usephehlweni, but you can't call yourself umngoma ungadlulanga entwaseni yabangoma, right? Umntwana onobizo uzalwa necode usuke sekakhethiwe, you understand? And empilweni yakhe lo mntwana lo kunezinto ezingapheleliswanga ngaye ngoba kunalo moya okufanele ukuthi umphozese opure ozoletha ukukhanya ekhaya. Ngizoyichaza niye kahle ngayo lento le. Isibongo nesibongo sinobukhosi baso Shandu. Mandulo masiyaphi asikhiphe tribalism. Isibongo nesibongo sinobukhosi baso, you understand? So lobukhosi lobu bungamelwe yini? Bungamelwe yidlozi. You understand? Idlozi ngichazile ekuqaleni ukuthi ukuze abantu babe ne better understanding because sesiphila kwenye era. Ngoba mangithi idlozi bacabanga into eyidemoni. So let me say isibongo nesibongo sinengilosi yaso. You understand? Ekukhanya kuyivessel ewumoya oxhumanisa abaphilako nabangasekho. You understand? So lo mntwana uyakhethwa lo. Even before azalwa ukuthi umntwana uzozalwa uzibani la ekhaya. Uzoba umntwana esomnika ini lobukhosi lobo. Lo mntwana uma ekhula kuba nama symptoms kuba nezinto nje ezimenzakalelayo angafani nabanye abantwana ngoba akapheleliswanga njengalaba abanye. That's why azoba nengulo. You understand?
Okay.
Akaphelele lo muntu spiritual akaphelele. Uma ekhula lo mntwana uyakhula kuba nezinto ezenzakalayo kuye. Lo mntwana kufanele enzeni avume ukufa. Angithi abantu enjalo. Bese through initiation yentwaso lo mntwana sewenzani uyapheleliswa uyaphothulwa. You understand? Uma seaphothuliwe lo mntwana lo sekapheleliswe kanjalo ima simbiza ngani ngomngoma but isiphiwo sakhe asiqali masekayothwasa. Siqala even before ukuthi lo mntwana lo before ezinye zezinto besizizwa ngaye ezinye zezinto ebekazenza you understand iba kanjalo lento ebungoma uma sekaya engomeni semanje uyoqeqeshwa ukuthi mawumuntu onesiphiwe so kufanele uyiphathe ngendlela eso kufanele ukuthi imithi yakho ungayisebenziseli ububi kufanele ukuthi ezinye zezinto uzenze ngenye indlela ungabuza
No, I'm listening what you're saying.
Okay.
I'm counting what you're saying because
so lo mntwana lo kahle lo uphathiswe ubukhosi bala ekhaya hayi ukuthi yena uyinkosi ukhumbule asibuyele emuva ngithe lo muntu uthwasa imoya exhumanisa abangasekho naba phila kusho ukuthi uyivessel uyilight ye communication between kulabo abangale kwelamathongo nalaba abangapha emhlabeni. You understand? So lo mntwana lo ekhule lo mntwana akuvume ukufa. You understand? Bese lento eqali yenzani iyaphila kuyo uyakwazi ukuyilawula uyakwazi ukuyicontrol. That's why abanye abantu uthola ukuthi ekhaya bekunezibopho bekunamacala ebewanganakwa kunezinto eziningi la ekhaya. Lo mntwana mayeqala athwasa abanye bebangazali ekhaya bayaqala bayazala. Abanye bebangatholi umsebenzi bayaqala bathola imisebenzi ekhaya. And lento yobungoma we should not limit it. Sicabanga ukuthi masikhuluma ngomngoma sikhuluma ngomuntu ekufanele ahlale endumbeni ahlalela amathambo nokulapha abantu. No, ku broad. Ebungomeni kunama economist. Ebungomeni kunama scientist. Ebungomeni kunama musician. Ebungomeni kunama artist. The sole purpose of existence yedlozi is to enhance whatever you had been given. You understand? Uma ngabe mhlambe ngibeke njengami ngubhila kanje ngangiphiwe iphimbo lokucula uma ngiyothwasa ubungoma lokucula kwami kuya enhancedwa ku-enhancedwa yini ile energy yani yedlozi. The sole purpose existence yedlozi hayi isidlozana hayi umuntu ojikiswe kwelamathongo idlozi. You understand? It's heightened intelligence. Ubudlozi it's heightened intelligence. That's why uzothola ukuthi umuntu onobizo akacabange njengabantu abanomali. Ubona izinto ezingale kufihlakaleni ngoba lelihlo elisuke selivuleka kulomuntu lo ilihlo elingabheki nje elikwazi ukuthi libone ngale kwelamathongo libuye lizobona nangapha. Ngithi uyangibona.
Wow, Bila.
Ngithi uyangibona.
I didn't think you can be this. Like, I'm seeing another side of you today.
I'm not what many people think I am.
No, it's not about many people, it's about me, Chef Mbata, who's saying. As I proceed. I want to quote some of the things you said. You said, umuntu uzalwa nayo lento le yobungoma.
Yes.
And uthola ukuthi umuntu ubona izinto esingaziboni thina. Kusuke ebuncaneni ba.
Yes. And not ukubona kuphela, many other things.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's what I quoted. But you know it. And then we are cooler now. So I'm not fighting. I'm just asking, even the manches. So don't you think lo muntu lona uzalwa nesipho lesi? That's why it says nama self-initiate. Then maybe along the way, that's when they need to go and get the mentor. Because remember, we've got musicians who didn't go to school to study that.
Yes.
Who are good, but who are self-taught. So I'm just asking, I just need your thoughts.
Uyazi njani lento leshana. And it's not good you are fighting. It's a good question.
No. I'm just saying. Remember,
question.
There might be somebody that is watching this episode who might not see the way we are saying things. Yes.
Lento hamba njani mnganami buka la. Kunesipho kunobizo. Right? Lento azifani. Right? But kuyenzeka zisebenzisane mazinakekelwe kahle. Umuntu onobungoma is not limited ekuthenini uzohlola ngizobuyela back to lento engikhulumile. Is not limited ukuthi uzohlola uzolinda abantu endumbeni or in party. This is going to be a very interesting topic because ngizoyi stretch. So lento kusuke kwenzakalana wena Shando la. Umuntu mangabe unesiphiwo sokwelapha aphinde abe nobizo lokuba umngoma. Isiphiwo sakhe asiqali ngalesikhathi ayephehlweni. Siqala even before ayephehlweni. Ephehlweni sinikwa 10% ukuthi siyaqeqeshwa ukuthi njengoba singabantu abanesiphiwo esi-extraordinary sokulawula ezinye zezinto kufanele siyiphathe kanjani. Hence comes in umthetho weshoba ukuthi mntanami unesiphiwo. Ukhumbule isandla sikwazi ukuphilisa siyakwazi ukubulala. So lo muntu njengoba nesiphiwo kanje masingagaviniwanga kahle it's problematic. It's problematic. That's why abanye abantu into zabo zibalahlekele endleleni because of uyazibona ukuthi mangiqale ngithinta umuthi mina ngikhulumisa wenza lento engifuna ukuyenza. Lo muntu mhlambe for an example ahamba eTavern axabane nobuntu. Uzokwenzani? Akanawo amandla wezandla. Uzokwenzani? Uqalekisa umuntu. So lapha ephehlweni umuntu there's things bazongixolela abangoma. Lapha ephehlweni kunomthetho esiufundiswa wona nokuyiphatha ukuthi umuntu onesiphiwo uziphatha kanjani. Into engizoemphasize ukuthi lo moya wobudlozi umoya opure ongafuni ukuthi uhlanganise nezinto ezingcolile. Angithi yabona into enjalo. So now lo muntu lo isiphiwo sakhe na kanjani even before athwasa. Sizosebenza uzobona izinto. Uzolapha. Uzokwenza lokho. But lo muntu uphinde ukhumbule uma ngabe enalo bizo leli lokuthi abomngoma noma aphathe ubukhosi bala ekhaya njengomuntu onedlozi kufanele egcinele umuntu apheleliswe. Isiphiwo uzosebenzisa but at some point kuyofika imhluphe lento le because akalashwanga lengulo yani yedlozi. Umuntu onedlozi uba nengulo mfowethu. Umuntu onedlozi ngikhuluma hayi izidlozana. Umuntu onedlozi uba nengulo. Njengoba uShemen naye bekakhuluma. Umuntu onedlozi uba nengulo ngoba uzalwa engaphelelisiwe yena spiritually. You understand? And then ziningi indlela namasiko okulapha umuntu onaleyo ngulo leyo. You understand? So even nami mina ngibonga ukuthi ngathwasa ngimncane. Because if ngakhula, believe you me Nshandu, believe you me, bengizoyirecognize lento le ukuthi nginento esonginamandla okwenza ukuthi. If I was not well polished, bengizoba nenkinga. And at some point mangabe ledlozi kufanele liphile kimi, kunama rituals ekufanele ukuthi enziwe ukuze ngihlanganiswe nalo moya ucoexist nami.
You know, I'm listening to you. It's my comment. I think you'll understand. Let me put it like this. There's this thing I did at school. I'm sure now you did wherever. Communication. How the message is delivered and how it's accepted to the person that is delivered to. I'm just saying. I'm listening to you now. And listening to you in other part of life. It's me saying this to you. I think if you can go home and think about what I'm saying, delivering a message and looking how it's getting to another person, just that. And in the other life. Because you are very good. You are very good. I don't want to lie to you. You are very good. Listening to you, like, hence I'm saying, well, this is the first time I'm seeing another side of you, forgetting the other life. I think look at that. And I think even fighting with other people, it will stop. As we proceed. I'm just saying, and I mean what I'm saying. I mean what I'm saying. Just look at that. How we deliver, and then just think how it's going to get to another person's ear. Because once it's in their ear, yes, how are they gonna process it? And then when they process it, how is gonna come back to you? Because we are good to bring it back. I'm just saying, because this is another pillar. I didn't know. So pillar, I don't know if you wanted to finish up, or you are fine. Can I proceed with my questioning?
No, you can proceed. Maybe we can merge.
I want us to talk about ukuziphatha kwabangoma. Ubusuqalile already. Ukuthatha the
You want to talk about it as ukuthi kwenzakalani or
no? Ngifuna ufundise
how actually
educate my viewers.
Okay.
Ukuthi umngoma kahle kahle. Sisiphatha kanjani, because ezinye izinto sizenza not because siyazi.
It's lack of knowledge sometimes.
Yes.
Engizokubala kuqala Shandu okuyiqiniso lenganakuphikiswa ukuthi there's too many people abathwasisako abasadinga bona self ukuthi bathwasiswe.
Okay.
We are too emotionally attached to izinto zomhlaba ezabangoma now, to a point where kunezinto esizimisayo along the way. Because now you find abantu bayathwasa and automatically umuntu akasafuni kulinda. Ufuna ukuthi njengoba aqeda ukuthwasa bese afane noBhili. uBhili uneminyaka athwasile. You understand? And what does that do? Ikwenza ukuthi uphume endleleni nasemthethweni wani, umthetho weshoba. Edlozini kuyalindwa Shandu. Yonke into edlozi yalindwa. And into engithanda ngedlozi, nanoma ungayilinda isikhathi singakanani mase ifikile nakekho uzoyithatha. Into esemqoka lana ukuthi kunamasiko esiwalahlile njengabangoma. Ekungukuthi you'll find ama video very funny, but izangoma nazo zinyiswa umjolo. Uyabona when it comes
That's why I'm asking this question.
Yes, angithi Shandu manje sayibamba le network. The reason why sibukeka njengabantu and lento isenza njengokuthi mangabe siphatha imithi, abanye abantu baya question ukuthi uthi uzolungisela mina mara wena umjolo yakunyisa.
Mara uyakunyisa.
Ngokomthetho Shandu, umuntu ozoba nobudlelwane naye umuntu owumngoma kufanele aziswe edlozini. Kunamasiko esingasawenzi thina abangoma when it comes to into zama relationship. Umuntu onga-acceptekanga edlozini lakho angeke ube nobudlelwane naye obuzoqhubekela buye phambili. And two, sometimes we are too emotionally attached to izinto zomhlaba. Ngiyabuyela kuloko. Kulezi zinto zomhlaba lezi si attached kakhulu kuzo, kwenzeka umuntu ube nemizwa naye thola ukuthi umthande ngendlela esimanga umthande kanti lo muntu akusumuntu ekufanele ukuthi uye embedeni naye umuntu kune connection phakathi kwakho naye kufanele ukuthi umsize ngayo and the two sometimes uthola ukuthi mandulo le emuva you understand uthola ukuthi niyihlobo abakini bani connectise inkaba ziyakhuluma uyayibona into enjalo bese wena sewulala naye lo muntu lo we are too hypersexual we ifana nemalalambela itshwala malalambela itshwala thina abangoma abasikhulisa abadala bebangaphuzela ukudakwa bebaphuzela ukusutha babe excited bebasutha thina siyadakwa ngoba izinto esibuye sizenze lapha and sizokwata Shandu because amaqiniso asiwafuni sizokwata ngoba namhlanje kunabantu abayemigidini ngoba bafuna ukuyomaka do you know that
I don't know darling
yes they do lezi ngoma zithanda utshwala siyalapha emigidini lapha siyofuna utshwala lezo zinto lezo zisehlisa sithunzi Shandu you understand ngoba even that's why ngithi mina ezinye zezinto mangizizwa ziyangishoka mabazikhuluma ngobungoma because umuntu omngoma umuntu opure umuntu osekukhanyeni so umuntu osekukhanyeni kuza kanjani ukuthi sombona lapha emgidini sibalalana lapha emathendeni na yonke lento le it's not good.
Is it happening though?
You Shandu
Okay, we are not here to
yeah but engubekayo lana ukuthi bengicela abantwana bedlozi siyofunda ukubekezela yonke into edlozini yalindwa sikhumbule nathi before sizoke sikuvume lokufa sivume ukuyothwasa basuke nabo basilindile for a certain period of time ukuthi whoever othunyiwe kuwe oyisithunywa sakho lo ukuthi ayokunika imlayezo naye ukulindile iminyaka so nawe mase uyamkela lento le ungajaha ukuthi ufuna ukuthwasisa you understand ukuthwasa into it's a never ending journey le so every time thina masongena ephehlweni ngifuna ukuphuma ngifane noGobela it's impossible he or she walked ijourney yakhe and kunezinto ahlangabezane nazo kunezinto azenzile along the journey you understand ekungukuthi zimbeke la akhona so now there's this whole commercialization yobungoma ukuthi ubungoma now has become a business it's problematic because I can tell you now confidently so 80% yabantu bazozisola ukuthi bathwaseleni because now mina ngubhila ngifuna ukungena ne-streamline semathwasa emgidini why how did we get there because umuntu othwasayo uthwasa only and only if anobizo so isidlozana siyasithwasisa because it's a spirit that's possesse umuntu yahayiza that's why bathi ungenwe yini yahayiza nanana asahlolisisa umoya ukuthi lo mntwana kahle uhlushwa umdliwa lo mntwana unengwenza lo but because uyahayiza nanani siyamthatha thwasa because ini ngigijimise ukuthi nami ngiyofana nabanye ngene ne-streamline asiyeke lento leyo because into ebungoma iyawuthinta umsamo wasekhaya kakhulu Shandu ngithe isibongo nesibongo sinobukhosi baso so lo muntu lo uma ngabe azovuma ukuthi mina ngivuma ubukhosi bala ekhaya angakhethwanga la ekhaya you understand ukuthi the minute angene egate ezophahlelwa bomalume noma azophahlelwa abakubo the minute angene edlozini whatever spirit lo muntu eza nayo la ekhaya siyayamkela emsamo uma uyovuma ukufa lama rituals enziwa lapha yana Shandu na kanjani spiritual you will die langa lami lokufa lifikile inkani there's a stage called inkani bayayazi abangoma uma ngabe uyovuma ukufa lapha lo muntu makavuma ukufa epart yakho 50% yobuwena bakho must be possessed angisho iyabulawa must be possessed by a certain spirit if I possess wayidlozi izopossesswa umoya omubi the minute lo mntwana a step lapha egateini lapha anganawo umoya wedlozi so to possesswe umoya njani imuphi lo moya lo ozongena emsamo so ezinye zezinto sizibuka on a light yokuthi I want to make money but it's problematic because it's going to become a generational curse komunye umuntu kunabantu abamba namajajawela amadlozi okufakelwa you understand the minute abomalume nabo nefamily imukela lo muntu emsamo la ekhaya sesimukela ini
I think that's why we are facing this thing of people burning izimpahla zobungoma
exactly
and coming wherever platforms television podcast and saying bengiwumngoma sengiyawuyeka lo moya ngoba ungcolile or lo moya wobudemon I think now I get it
we shot ourselves in the foot ubunyanga buhlele ezandleni e-wrong ubungoma buhlele ezandleni e-wrong there was a conversation we had nabanye aboGobela ukuthi we actually had ingqondo ukuthi let us at least extend amathwasa wokulobola, because why? And I understood abanye abantu would look at that thing ngokwemali, but we look at it in a perspective yokuthi why do you give umuntu osesemanzi la ekhaya umthetho eshoba ungakazinzi kuye umnike intwaso? Becomes problematic because now nginentwaso I need to make money. My friend, come and twasa. Sicula amakhwaya, my friend, hayi wena ngiyakubona umuntu kanti uzijabulelele ingoma nje yamchama payipayi. Come and twasa mnganami. It's problematic because into obungoma, it's a huge responsibility, Shando.
It is.
It's a very huge responsibility because ayikuthi wena uba inkosi ekhaya uphathiswe ubukhosi basekhaya anginabo ubunyanga mina anginabo ubunyanga and mina ngiyababongela abazukulu abazolandela mina bayothola umsamo clean kuneyinqumo esiyithathayo because of i-pressure e-society ukuthi uma umngoma mina uyazi nabantu awuna nyuku inini
okay,
but I'm okay with that.
Pilankulu, tell me here this question, what's your thought because we are still here?
Yeah.
Pilankulu, most people who are banning these things of Ngoma are those so-called celebrities. And now, again, we've got a situation of youngsters that are dying. And some of them are so-called celebrities. Yes, we do have the normals one. But I'm just quoting, like, because I need your thoughts.
Shando, hey, you means emotional. Why can't? Why such
You don't need
questions?
to talk to me, darling.
Why such questions?
Because we are educating, yeah. We're giving the light, and we just... And I just want to hear your thought. This is Munchies and Thoughts.
Hey, means emotional man. Shando,
This is the last one, don't stress.
I've spoken about this thing time and again. Those who follow me, they'll tell you. I've spoken about this thing. Uguti, yonke lento esiyenzako. We siphumile esandleni Shando. And I'll go back to indaba yentwaso. Young children are being given intwaso. And some people don't actually have intwaso. That's another problem. Some people actually don't have intwaso. There's people ababaleke emaphehlweni today abokobela. Kanjani? There's people who say, mina ngizithwasisile but ufuna ukuthwasisa omunye umuntu. Kanjani? Uyabona Shando, into yephehlo is very sensitive because from ingoma yakhuluma. From ukugida kuyakhuluma. I-stage okuso siyakhuluma. There's kids namhlanje into engizoyibeka esemqoka kunenhlonipho elahlekile la. Thina ebungomeni sazi ukuthi kunezigaba. You understand? Kunabo khudlwana and all of those things. That's why you'll find ukuthi mangihleli nabanye abantu ababontanga bamabanye babo just because bathwase before me I call them baba. They've lost even that smaller nyana nhlonipho. They are afraid ukuthi angeke ngibiza ubhila ngobaba because intanga yami ngeminyaka. There's some sort of ageism naphakathi. And then umuntu anga-understand ukuthi when we go deeper into this thing, yentwaso, lempande lesikhuluma ngayo, inemithetho, inemasiko, inema-step, inema-stages. Into, not everything that glitters is gold. Ungafika ngikutholo udlisa intwaso laphana ngiyibone the whole process, but injula yakhona angeke ngiyazi. Hence I said kunento ekuthiwa imvuma kufa. When that person akuvumela ukuthi umvumisa ukufa, a part of leyo muntu iyafa spiritually. What is it that possesses this person? What is it that possesses this person? Maseka hamba buyele ekhaya lento yam overwhelm sometimes. Afe. Sometimes umuntu akathakathwanga ubulawe lento ayizogobela. I'm very sorry ngiyabazi ngisithi esikhulu, but I'm very sorry to mention these things because izinto ekufanele ukuthi sizibukisise njengabantu.
You don't need to be sorry. You need to stand on your truth. And what you
Yeah,
believe.
but angithi ngingedelela.
No. Manje awudeleli manje. Manje awudeleli mina.
Awendaba ngisuke.
Pila, please proceed. Ngisho ukuthi uyadelela.
So lento injani? Lento iso mngana. That is why wahlekishana ngazi emotional. That is why I always say to people, more than ukuthi ni research ngezinto zobongoma, researchani ngehistory yenu yesintu. Ni understand imimoya. Baningi abangoma namhlanje Mongahlala nabo phansi abayazi imimoya nokuhlukahlukana kwayo. The only thing umuntu ahayiza thwasa. Umuntu aqala bathi angithi yini bayibiza ngama symptoms okuthwasa. Ayikho into enjalo. Alikho symptom lokuthwasa. Umuntu uthwasa only and only if anobizo. And akukho ukuthi idlozi ngakuthathela kusokugobela wrong. Doesn't exist. Kuneyinkulumanyana ezikhandwa abantu enhlahlubeni mangabe umuntu usekaphelele ukuhlahluba bathi ugobela ukwenzele wrong ngaphezulu kwagobela. Kazikho lezi those things don't exist. That is why it's very easy for me to pick up ukuthi inkengana lela. Angithi abantu enyana. Angithi angibona. So zinye zezinto mina I'll encourage ukuthi abantu asingagijimi. Sigijima kakhulu Shandu. And into ifana nabungoma, you can't commercialize ubungoma. If we are commercializing ubungoma, let it be fashion sense. Let it be ingoma. Let it be ukugida, not injula. How can it be ukuthi ngizopossesswa umoya angenze for an example mara lezi ngizongifaka inkingeni but angeke deep kakhulu. Angeke ngipossesswa amakhosi. Mangipossesswa amakhosi bese ngihlala kule tafula ngikhulume ngawo. Ngeke. So most of the things that are there on social media, it's misinformation ngemimoya. Because the principle, uyabona Shandu umuntu onobizo ngokweqiniso, they will attest abantu abadala. Ngeke uyikhulume into edlozi in totality kwabanye abantu. Phanjanelwa ikhanda because bakhethe wena because they want to give you lemfihlo yala ekhaya. Ibongo nezibongo, kunezibongo ezinemfihlo yemvula, kunezibongo zemfihlo yelightning, kunezibongo emfihlo ezinye izinto ngithi yabona. So lento le uma bakunikile abakini awukwazi ukuthi wena uyinika omunye umuntu. Namanje mangakubuza unamalini ku bank account. Exactly igugu lakho angithi. So umuntu onikiwe imfihlo negugu angakutshela. There's too much misinformation in social media.
Thank you so much, Bila. Baba kulamba khaya nimizwile uBila uchazela okuningi. Hey, I'm seeing another side of uBila that I love. Bila Nkulu, we need to close the show. But before we close the show, I've got one. It's a comment. So you'll give it's a comment. You're just gonna give your thoughts. One of the manchi. You know my manchis, they ask. It's a comment. Basically, this manchi is saying, basically idlozi lingena ingane ezizalelwe ngaphandle komshado while ithongo lingena kwezitholakala emshadweni.
Let me just digest this thing very quickly, right? Shandu mawusuka la ebusuku uyolala in ubuthongo, right? Bese uyaphupha uye kwelama thongo, right? Ithongo basically mawushona ulala ubuthongo obude angisho usavuke uya kuphi kwelama thongo umuntu oke waphila wanyathela umhlaba, right? Idlozi it's a spirit of eternity. That is why nanoma umngoma ashonile uyahlukaniswa nalomoya because mele uphinde uexiste kuphi la emhlabeni to give in impilo. You understand? Ngithene ekuqaleni ile moya ethi mayihlangana kukhandeke imvelo. Idlozi exist ezihlahleni, idlozi exist entabeni, idlozi exist everywhere you can think of okuyi nature. You understand? That's why even ama season ayashintsha. Kuba nohlobo, kube nobusika, kube nentwasa hlobo. Because le mvelo isuka ithwasa ini idlozi.
Okay.
You understand? Idlozi ilo moya ongena umuntu ngenhloso yokwenzani ukuletha ama solution emhlabeni wokuphila. Ile mimoya exhumanisa abaphilako nabangasekho. And idlozi ilo moya onjani wena Shandu? Ithongo liphahlwa ngama time interval. That's why abantu abakwazi ukukhanda ibutho. Kunento ekuthiwa ibutho into zobugedla lezi ngizongena kancane kuzo. That's why abantu abakwazi ukukhanda amabutho bakwazi ukukhanda izinto ezisuka emathuneni, they will tell you ukuthi emathuneni awuyi ngesikhathi so, emathuneni uya ngesikhathi so, emathuneni awuyi ngesikhathi because amathongo anesikhathi sokubuyela kuphi labalele khona babe nesikhathi sokuthi beze ekhaya. But idlozi yilo moya okwazi ukuthi makungena umuntu esigodlweni sakho ukwazi ukuthi uphahle uma uphahla lo moya lo ukwazi ukwembulela ngomuntu ukuthi imessage from kwelamathongo kwakubo ithini. You understand? That is why umngoma akaye emathuneni. Why umngoma angaye emathuneni? It's because into yethu ayihlangene iyathinta but asithwasi imimoya esuka emathuneni. So abantu laba abashonile bebaphila emhlabeni balaliswa kuphi? emathuneni exactly masihlehla singabangoma idlozi maselisuka emntwini thila lihlehlele emalwandle akuthiwa lihlehlele emathuneni so ayikho lento leyo.
Okay, thank you so much. Baba Makhaya, I am closing the show now. Angithi nisafuna uBhila buye back. Usazobuya kwaManchester and Thoughts. Hey, but these days ngiyacinga. Hey, I look for you. Luka, totally. Thank you so much, Pila. And
Sisonke.
it's a wrap. And goodbye, darlings. Wow.